Now we will discuss about factory method. The factory method is a creational design pattern that provides an interface for creating objects, but allows subclasses to decide which class to instantiate. This pattern belongs to the creational category of design patterns. The factory method is used when we want to delegate the responsibility of object instantiation to subclasses, allowing them to decide which concrete class to create. It allows for flexibility and extensibility by decoupling the client code from the specific implementation classes. Let's understand with an example. Here is an example of how the factory method pattern can be implemented in TypeScript. Let's break down this code step by step. This code has 4 parts. Abstract class product, concrete class concrete product A and class concrete product B, creator class, client code. Let's discuss one by one. Abstract class product. This is an abstract base class that defines the interface for the product objects. It has an abstract method getName that must be implemented by concrete product classes. There's also a non-abstract method doSomething that provides common functionality shared by all concrete products. Class concrete product A and class concrete product B. These are concrete product classes that inherit from the product base class. They implement the getName method specific to each product. Class creator. This is the factory class that contains the factory method createProduct, type, string product. The factory method takes a type parameter and returns a product object based on the provided type. In this example, it creates either a concrete product A or a concrete product B based on the input type. Client code. Const creator equals new creator. The client code creates an instance of the creator class, which will be used to create product objects. Const product A equals creator.createProduct A. The client code uses the factory method to create a concrete product A object and assigns it to product A. Console.log product A.getName. It calls the getName method on product A to get the name of the product, which is product A. Product A.doSomething. It calls the doSomething method on product A, which outputs doing something to the console. Similar steps are repeated for product B, which is created using creator.createProduct B. It outputs the name product B and doing something to the console. The factory method pattern allows you to add new product types, example, concrete product C, concrete product D, etc., without modifying the client code or the creator class, promoting flexibility and extensibility in your code. It encapsulates the object creation logic within the factory method and separates it from the client code. In conclusion, the factory method pattern provides a way to encapsulate object creation in subclasses, promoting loose coupling and extensibility. It is useful when we need to delegate the responsibility of object creation to subclasses and want to decouple client code from specific implementations.